Cardiff, the capital of Wales, is a unique city, a city small enough that you can walk everywhere if you want to. If you were to build a music and drama college, you probably couldn't choose a better location. We're across the road from the Georgian Civic Centre, and we back onto a Grade 1 listed park. The city centre itself is only 10 minutes walk away, and our halls of residence is only 10 minutes walk in the other direction. Wales is a country of diversity, and Cardiff, a city proud of its warmth and feeling of community. It's only 1 hour 45 minutes on the train from London, just over 2 hours from Birmingham, and 3 hours 25 minutes from Manchester. The city centre includes the Principality Stadium, 74,000 sports fans, shopping arcades from the Victorian period, or the modern-day St David's shopping centre. Wannabe Street is synonymous with the city's live music scene. Cardiff has been declared as the UK's first music city, which means music will be at the heart of all of Cardiff's future developments. The city hosts major events: Rugby, Six Nations, the Rugby World Cup, Olympic Games, the ICC Cricket World Cup, the UEFA Champions League Final. Festivals including one for food and drink, Pride Cymru annually, and an open-air theatre festival. Live music ranging from the Welsh Proms and Festival of Voices to gigs at the Principality Stadium, Ed Sheeran, Beyoncé, the Rolling Stones, Madonna and Rihanna. Cardiff Bay, once Europe's biggest freshwater development, is home to the Wales Millennium Centre, Hairspray, Wicked, Les Miserables, Chicago, Phantom of the Opera. Cardiff Bay is also home to the BBC National Orchestra of Wales and Welsh National Opera, and also the BBC Drama Village and Bad Wolf.